Hello, I'm Camila Rosa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I was going to talk about some struggles and hardship that comes with being artists and doing YouTube, especially if you don't have a big number of followers. Everyone knows that YouTube is very competitive. It's a very competitive place, and you have to be creative all the time. In my case, I have to come up with ideas every week. Not only the idea, but I have to make a script and have to be something interesting, because if not, nobody's going to watch. I have to draw something or someone, and it has to be someone relevant, something that is trending, because if not, again, nobody's going to pay attention. I tried to bring up some of my originals drawing, but it's not as successful as when I post from art. Anyways, you see what I mean. It's very stressful, exhausting, and I've been thinking about it a lot this couple of weeks. Maybe if that's the right path for me in my art career, I don't know. Maybe this is just Camila today, and tomorrow will be probably be thinking different. But I just wanted to do this video anyway, because a lot of you watching probably aren't a creator here on YouTube, so you might not know the hardships that comes behind the scenes. You might think that is easy, I don't know, but doing YouTube requires so many skills. You have to be good in all of it. You have to be good at drawing, in my case. You have to have editing skills, to know to apply sound effects to make your videos interesting, animations. You have to have a good intro. Your channel has to have a good aesthetic, whatever this means. And because of that, I've been feeling so burnout lately and exhausted. Anyways, I will stop ranting now. Sorry for the long intro. Anyways, I don't want this video to be half, so I found some topics about the struggle of beginners or non-beginners artists might have to pull through in the art journey, and I just wanted to comment on it. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into the video. How many times you see yourself staring in a blank page, not knowing what to do next? This is one of those that sometimes kept me days and days to break from it. Will be days that you're not just inspired enough, and that's okay. My solution, as I said in my previous videos, to create a mood board. Put everything on the canvas, any image that you have in your mind, and I'm sure that is going to help with this one. At least helps me a lot. Pinterest is one of the must-go place if you're feeling uninspired. To me, it helps me a lot too. You can go there and search for images and put on your mood board. That's actually what I do. And sometimes I just go through the homepage and scroll a little bit, and I already have some idea. Nowadays, with social media and all this app on our phones, you can easily get distracted by anything. And I'm sounding like a boomer right now, but anyways, I don't know if the procrastination taking over your mind, body, but it's really hard to be productive sometimes. What I like to do is to put my phone on silence mode. I'm not so much on my phone anyways all the time, so it's not hard for me. Also, I like to always keep a sketchbook on my side, and sometimes even when I'm watching Netflix or YouTube videos, I try to sketch something if some idea come up in my mind. Skill limitations. This one is the hardest to overcome, because the only way to do it is by practicing and being persistent. You have this idea on your mind and can get to translate to the paper, and can be really frustrating. But as I said before, you have to focus on the good first. Focus on what you can do with your skill. So even if you don't feel like you can do a certain illustration, I strongly advise you to just try it. And if you're still not satisfied with the result, don't worry. You can try again sometime and you can learn from this experience. This one is a classic question. I don't have much to talk about it here, but I know that this one annoys every artist. Doesn't matter where you live or what language you speak. This one question should receive an award for most annoying question of the year. Anyway, be careful with this one. I know that people can be very entitled, and you do just this one for them and they'll be coming back with 1,000 requests. So be careful. If every time someone asks me, can you draw me? Will you draw me? I receive $1, I would be a millionaire right now. Really. You already know that. So yeah, that's a struggle. This one is frustrating too. Can be frustrated too. But you have to work with what you get. Fancy tools not going to make you a better artist, I promise you. I just know that. Just focus on your goals and you're going to be okay, I promise you. I don't want this video to be too long, so if you guys want it, I can do a part 2. I have so many topics to talk about in this one, but I think it's going to be just this that I previously talked about. So this was the video for now. Tell me in the comments some of the struggles of your career, of your that maybe outsiders don't know. I'm curious about it. And guys, oh my god, I just realized that I already made 109 videos for YouTube. I just can't believe that's a lot of drawing. Anyways, that's a lot of editing too. An hour spent. That's why I'm taking a break from YouTube, and maybe I'll be back in 2022. As I said before in the intro, YouTube is a lot of work, and I will take a break. I need a break. I'm working non-stop for a year and 2 months now. Yeah, it's a lot of. I need a break. I'm still going to post. Don't worry. You're probably confused now. Let me explain. I'll be posting shorts of my old videos since the algorithm love. Anyways, I still have 1 video left to post. It's my Christmas drawing for this year, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. So see you in the next video. Bye.